What I want to do is show you how I've connected GitHub, which basically stores your files and allows you to then connect it to servers to be able to host whatever it is that you've created. So in this case, I'm going to use Cloudflare pages with GitHub with Perplexity Computer. So what I'm going to do first is just go in here and say, create me a repo in my GitHub titled random. There you go. We have my repo created inside of GitHub. If I go over here, I'll now see inside of my GitHub this random repo. So I'm going to go back over to Perplexity Computer, say, create me a very basic HTML landing page. Once you're done, push it over to my repo. Great. So it says random page has been created. If I go over to my repo, refresh, there we go. I see this HTML page. And so at this point, what I want to do is go into my Cloudflare, go to pages, get started. I'm going to use existing Git. Again, this is for a very simple HTML page. We don't need to worry about too many security measures. This is old school, if you will. So you see here, we're deploying. And here's page, and there's the website. So obviously this is very basic landing page, just a hello world. But what we'll do is go back to the project, and you'll see here we have the GitHub attached. Now, whenever I push updates from Perplexity, it will automatically go to my GitHub, and then Cloudflare will automatically update it. So what I want to try at this time is say, let's create a landing page for a specific Zillow listing. Let's update the website to use all of the photos and information from this Zillow listing. I want to make a nice landing page for this real estate listing that I'll eventually host on its own domain. This should be going to the listing, pulling the images, pulling the real estate details. We'll see how it does. So this would essentially be using assistant or agent in the background to do that. So as you see, we have Zillow listing extraction. Sub agent right there is what is pulling all of the listing information, and it's pushed it over to our repo. And so I'm going to go over to the original URL. So this is where it was. I'm going to refresh, and now we have quite a beautiful landing page for this real estate listing. From Cloudflare, I would just go into custom domains and then set up a custom domain. You can go and purchase a domain through Cloudflare. It's like $10. Then you have a nice, shareable, beautiful website.